Let me give you some tips on how to use our So Fresh and So Clean shampoo. Number one, our ingredients are totally different than the average shampoo that you will encounter. It's called Toxin Free Clean Beauty, but our ingredients are vegan and organic, so it performs in a different way. So I want to help you be able to get the maximum benefit from this 8-ounce bottle of shampoo, how it will last you. Number one, let me show you how to really shampoo your hair the proper way. You wet your hair with warm water and you rinse it through your scalp, your hair for about 5 minutes. That's going to take away some of the buildup, the dirt, the oils, all of that stuff that actually will help the shampoo be able to work a lot better. You don't have to use as much shampoo. After that, you take about a quarter size of shampoo, put it into your hands, rub your wet hands together until you get suds and soap. It's called emulsifying the shampoo. And then you apply it directly to your scalp. Massage for about 3 to 5 minutes. If you need longer, that's perfectly fine. Go as long as you need to on that one application. You don't have to put it in 3 minutes, rinse out, then put it back in. You're using more product than you really have to. And so do that. If you feel like you need more cleansing on your strands, then definitely work the shampoo down your strands. But if you do that in one setting, do it one time because you don't want to strip the hair of its natural oils. So, but you're mainly focusing on your scalp because you need a healthy scalp and healthy hair strands in order to get the benefit of your products that come after, to set your hair up for the conditioning process and then your styling to avoid frizz and all of the things that you want to do with your hair. It's a process and it starts at the shampooing of your hair. Whether you use Cadence Taylor Beauty or not, shampoo your hair at least at least every other week. Okay?